those old hands have they remained on that age dial. Together we've been old hands in ours, ain't still waiting, still waiting. On the lookout, precisely 10 by those old hands have the day remains on that age dial. Together we've been both hands in ours. You still await me then. Stars are falling through the night, while lines across the table take flights and ellipses to you I've addressed, leaving just a period for me to rest. Time consumed us in its embrace. Busyness cured our aches. If some